how to see if someone is online on Instagram. So first off, we're gonna go to our profile. Then from here, we wanna click on the three lines in the top right corner. Then here, select the first option, which says settings. Now here, search for privacy, should be the fourth option. Okay, so scroll down until you see activity status. Click on it. And here we want to enable this setting. If both people have the setting enabled, you will be able to see when they were last online. I'm going to show you. So after we have enabled this, now we're going to go back. I'm going to show you for one person. If we click on their DMs, as you can see, it says whether they are online now or when they were last online. Alright, if this video helped you out, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you boys and girls next time. Goodbye.